So you saw us loading the chemigator, and now let's talk about why we do it.
I'm Brady Stover. My passion is agriculture, agronomy, and sharing my experiences. Join me on my journey through the Pacific Northwest.
So the reason that we do it is because, one, we're going to water the crop already. Two, it allows us to deliver either chemicals or nutrients to that plant without needing to send an airplane in the air, send a ground rig through your field to smash the crop, make roots, and cause problems later. And it is the best delivery system because we're just utilizing the water. We can send it, so here we're at one central location, and from this location we can feed 5 different circles. Right now we're feeding the hand lines in the corner, and so we are pumping the nutrients into the main line. It's going across underground all the way to where the water starts to come out, and it goes and gets delivered through the uniform water pattern. And so we know that we're getting 100% coverage and that we are delivering at a precise rate because we have our pump calibrated. We know our total gallons, how long it's going to take, and then how much nutrients in there. So we can get to that either a pint per acre, quart per acre, and we can deliver all these different rates of these products all through the same volume at the same time. Now he is pouring and measuring so that we get precise amounts, and we know how many acres the field is, and we know what rate we want per acre. So we make sure if we're doing a pint per acre, we have 16 ounces for every acre that we are. The mixing order right now, luckily all of these products are formulated the same, so it's not quite as crucial as to what product goes in first. Otherwise, you would like to do your dry flowables first and then go to your liquid concentrates. Powders first so that they can dissolve into the water. He's on to his second product and he's measuring it out so that, again, we have the correct rate going in. These are nutrients right now, so the gloves are enough PPE. He's rinsing this jug and into that beaker. He's using the water. That way all of the product goes straight into the chemigator. There's no waste. He'll also use that to triple rinse the jugs. Before that basket system was created, we used to rinse jugs out 3 times to make sure that there was no residue within the jug itself, because these jugs will be returned to a recycle center. The plastic will, there's a company that comes out, they chew up the plastic into small shreds, and it gets recycled into new materials along with these cardboard boxes. They go to a cardboard recycle center. So 100% of these products are recycled. So the product inside the jug goes onto the field to feed our crops, and the plastic and cardboard gets recycled. And here's what I mean of him rinsing the jug using that basket system. This is the cleanest way to make sure that the jug has no residue or any product left in the jug. So it is safe for those that are doing the recycling process to touch and handle, and for it to be mixed with other plastic products. So now he has put the water into the bottom and he's pushing water up into the tank, and we will fill to a certain amount of gallons, and we have markings on this tank that show. And the reason that we need a total gallonage and we need to know is because then we will use the timing of the circle and how many acres it is and the total amount of product in the tank, so that we can get our calibration, so that we know whether or not we need to do 30 ounces per minute, 10 ounces per minute, or potentially even more. And so we can set this, and it's got a monitoring system. This particular system actually connects to an app on our telephones that we can go to and monitor if it's keeping rate. Let's say we wanted it to be in 7 hours, but it took 7 hours, 15 minutes. This app would actually let us know when it ran out and where it ran out so that we could come out and we could catch that last 15 minutes and put more product on the field.